Hello everybody! If you think you're having deja vu, are you thinking, I've seen this position before, you look the exact same as a video a little while ago? Yeah, I'm filming twice in a day. I just made myself a match up because in that last video, I was dying. We're doing a white fox haul, by the way. I bought these little cups on TikTok shop. I hate ASMR. I always say that, but then like I do it. But I hate to hear it myself. We're doing a white fox haul, everyone. It is kind of like random bits, you know. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm going to get through all of it because we may be here all day. Starting off with this jacket. I feel bloody cool. Want to wear this? Oh, this is so nice. The arms are a bit long. Everything's too long on me. Everything. But I just love the wash of this. The quality of white fox stuff is so nice. Oh my god, also, my UK babes. I just saw recently that it's been announced. I think White Fox has a warehouse in the UK now, which means next day delivery for us UK girls. Woohoo! That is amazing. And also I have a discount code. You can either use code Chyna or Chyna TikTok, whatever tickles your fancy. Who is texting me? Don't you know I'm doing a white fox haul? This is so amazing. Imagine this in festival season. Either Doc Marten boots or like knee-high boots. Oh my goodness. I have some shorts that are similar to this. With those or like a black play suit. Hopefully I'll go to some festivals next year because obviously festival season done. I need to wear this. Okay, let's try some corsets on. Pop a pair of jeans on. My drawers at the moment are awful. I've just been throwing everything in, you know. I'm so glad my dad's home to help me with these corsets because otherwise I would not be able to put these on. This is so nice. This like ribbed looking, I don't know, what is this? Either way, I love this. I like the way like the boning goes in like that. It's slightly loose on the side. That's because I sized up because I wasn't sure. I'm so funny with corsets. The size really depends. I always need to buy like 2 sizes of corsets because I have quite wide ribs. The sleeves are adjustable. It has the wired cups. This is how I'd wear it with like blue jeans like this. Probably white heels, or if you had cream heels to match, this would look so nice. White Fox has so many cute corsets. I'm looking at this next one. I'm beyond excited. I actually think I wore this. Yeah, I wore this for dinner in America and I absolutely loved it. Look how beautiful. Right, let me just put it on. This is my favourite in the whole haul. I love this so much. Also, it's got kind of like points, so it looks kind of like pointy nipples, which really reminds me of, is it Marilyn Monroe that had a bra like that? With like the pointy nipples. Either way, so cute. And it's got the lace trim here, which I think is such a beautiful touch. I love how far away the straps are as well. Everything about this is so perfect. Again, I would just wear it with jeans like this. Going for drinks, going for brunch. Even if you wanted like a subtle birthday top as well. I actually wore it with like a white long skirt, which looks really nice. It would look really nice on holiday as well. You could even maybe wear black jeans with this. I just love the yellow and the pink. I think it pairs so beautifully together. Let's take a pause from corsets for a second and try a little, is this a crop top? No, I think this is just like a long t-shirt. I was looking in my wardrobe the other day for little white t-shirts that have something on them, like a little graphic, and I thought this was so nice. White Fox have so many t-shirts like that. Also, if you didn't see my last White Fox haul, full of tracksuits, so if you love a White Fox tracksuit, definitely check that video out. The model on White Fox's site actually wore it with like a skirt like this, which is really cute. This is from White Fox as well. This is like a sequin mesh skirt, so it's a bit see-through. I wore this with like a high-waisted pink bikini bottom, and I think it's really cute because it ties in with the cherries, and then you can do like white cowboy boots as well. This is part of the Chloe and Millie edit, which is 2 girls from Love Island. Also comes with this sequin top, which is so cute. Such a cute set. I've tried this on my TikTok already. Let's go back onto corsets. This corset I've wanted for so long. How stunning. This is for a birthday top. It is a bit loose because I sized up. I wish I sized down now. I guess it's a good reference because then you know if you need to size down or size up. I might take this to my tailor just to kind of like tailor it in so it fits a bit better. Again, looks great with blue jeans. That's why I popped on blue jeans, just because it kind of goes with everything. I've seen so many people wear this corset and I was just so jealous and I just needed it. I also think this would be cute for Christmas time. If you're not all about Christmas like colours for Christmas parties, you could also wear this, but you could also wear that pink set I showed a minute ago. I think it's really nice. I do also have another set that I think would be good for Christmas party season. This gold sequin set. Let me try this on. You know, this would be perfect for Christmas, but also as a birthday outfit. If you can see up close, it's got like metallic sequins on it. It's so nice. It's like this gold / tan colour. This comes as a set. They have this in a few colours. Silver, black, pink, red, possibly. And this colour. Beige heels, clear heels, gold bag. This is just so, so beautiful. I saw so many people wear this outfit to a White Fox party, I think a few events ago, and I was so in love with it. I saw no one wear this colour though, so maybe this is new, I'm not really sure. Party season or your birthday, this is just so nice. Imagine with like body glow all up your arms. I have another dress here, which again, is giving birthday. I needed to just try and find some like birthday outfits because everyone always asks me to do a birthday outfit inspo, and I don't have much in my wardrobe that's like super glittery, so that's why I thought I'd go to White Fox, because White Fox is where I would go for a party outfit. I've kind of scrunched this up just because I wanted it a bit shorter. Obviously if you're taller it will fit kind of like this. Super glitzy, and you see what I mean? Just perfect for your birthday, but also Christmas parties because it's like that silvery colour. You could do clear heels or beige heels with this, or even like silver, because obviously it's got silver on it, and then silver bag. I think this is super cute because it's my birthday, but I'm kind of chill about it. Like I've just popped on a glitzy dress, but I look put together and cute. That's the vibes I get with this dress. I love this. Super simple, super cute, really nice quality, and it's really stretchy, and so are the straps. These are really, really stretchy. Another outfit from the Chloe and Millie edit. Their edit is really nice. If I come up close, you can see, I'm not sure if it's see-through up close, so I am going to cover it. It does have black like lining underneath, but because of my lights, I've got super harsh lights on, I feel like it's showing everything, you know? You can see it's like fishnet with diamantes. It is a bit long for me, but if I put heels on, I'd be absolutely fine. Birthday, Christmas party. You could also make this like festival vibes, put some cowboy boots on. I've seen someone with a long dress like this. She pulled it up and she like tied it and made it shorter, and it had like a dangly bit. That looked really cute. You could also do that with this dress, but this is such nice quality. Like I've tried this on a few times now. I think I've tried it on like 4 times. None of the rhinestones have come off at all, so it's really, really good quality. Okay, last but not least, this is more like holiday, but I wanted to include it anyway because I thought it was really cute, and I'll just save it for holiday. But I can also wear it separately. Like I can wear the top with just jeans like I showed you earlier. So this is a mesh 2-piece. The top part up to here has lining, and then the rest is just like mesh. Same with this, so like your pants aren't out or anything. This is so simple and so cute, but I think I was so drawn to it because I love the pink and yellow together. I think it looks so adorable. You could either do like wedges and wear this out for dinner, but I also would just wear this with like just some flip-flops, you know. It's super lightweight, so it's going to be super comfy on holiday. Sorry guys, I had to run off for a wee. I can't remember if I was finished talking about this or not, but I guess I am. Hope you guys enjoyed this White Fox haul. As I said, I have filmed a tracksuit haul, so if tracksuits are more of your interest, make sure to watch that video. Make sure to use my discount code, which is Chyna or Chyna TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.